This is an example that I did in the past of a James Rizzy inspired building here. You can see I also added pop-outs to this one. I'll show you each side of it. You see how his pocket and the window became his pocket here. And I have little details everywhere you look. Here's my last side. The chicken, of course. So that's what we're going to be doing on your project, just a little smaller scale. We're going to make our James Rizzy inspired project, and it's going to be a three-dimensional building. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your paper and you're going to fold it in half. Match up your corners. The better job you do at matching up the corners, the better the building will fit together when we put it together. Unfold it. We're going to take one side and we're going to line it up with a fold. Lined up, and we're going to crease. I'm going to take the other side and do the same thing. I'm lining up with my center fold and crease. So now when I put the two ends together, I have a rectangular prism. But I don't want to glue it together just yet, because now I'm going to make my Happy Rizzy houses. You're going to need a pencil, colored pencils, and maybe some thin markers also. You saw in James Rizzy's Happy Houses that a lot of them had faces. Sometimes the windows became the eyes. So that is definitely something that you can do. I'm going to make some eyes with some arched windows. You can put more details on them if you want, like window sills. Decide where your window eyes are looking. Decide what kind of eyes you want. This is all your choice. You're going to be decorating all four sides of your building. So you're going to put maybe windows, people hanging out of the windows, faces out of the architectural features. You could have balconies or fire escapes, whatever you think would be good. I think this side of my building is going to need a mustache. Border on the side of the building up at the top. Border down here. I want you to decorate each side of your building differently. Have a lot of fun with it. Take your time. Be very creative. I'm going to put another window down here, but this one's going to turn into a pocket. I'm going to add, instead of a curtain, it becomes his pocket, top of the pocket there. And here's my door. I like to be fancy and make a door frame around it too. I think that looks pretty good. One side of my building done.